Hello friends, welcome to Kalam Dawat. In this video we are going to study about polynomials from class 9th. Let's start. First of all, the definition. Definition says that the polynomials are the expression that consist of variable and constant x square plus x minus 12. Here variables are the numbers which don't have a fixed value like x square, x. These two are variables here because we don't know the value of x. It can be any value. That is why it is said to be variable because their values varies. Second is constant. As clear from the name, constant means there is such number which has a fixed value which will not be changed in future, like 12, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 0 and so on. In a polynomial, the powers, suppose see the first term of this polynomial here, the powers should be whole numbers. If the powers are not in whole numbers, it is not said to be a polynomial. For example, 1x plus 1 upon x is not a polynomial because here x plus 1 upon x means x has power of minus 1, which means not a whole number. Minus 1 is not a whole number. We know that 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These all are whole numbers. Minus is not included here. Under root x plus something, because root x means power of x is 1 upon 2, which is also not a whole number. So remember, wherever power is not a whole number, it is not said to be a polynomial. You can recognize polynomials and non-polynomials easily with the help of this concept of whole number. Next is terms. Suppose this is a polynomial and we have to find the number of terms. So terms are separated by these signs, plus minus, addition, subtraction. So there are three terms in this polynomial, 1, 2, 3. A polynomial can have only one term, it can have only two terms or three terms and many terms. So on the basis of the number of terms, a polynomial is said to be monomial if number of terms is 1, as mono means 1. If a polynomial has two terms, it is said binomial because bi means 2. And in the same way, three terms, it is said trinomial because the terms are 3. In general, we say polynomial. A polynomial can have only one term also. It can have two terms, three terms and more than 3. Coefficient. Suppose this is written. This is also a polynomial. So the coefficient here is said to be the number which is in the multiple of variable. 5 is the coefficient of x to the power 6, and here in this term there is no number visible, that means 1 is hidden here. So coefficient of x square is 1. Constant polynomial. If a polynomial has only constant term, suppose this was the example in the first slide. So if these two terms were not there, only one term is written, minus 12, this is said to be a constant polynomial. As clear from the name, this is a constant term. Zero polynomial. If a constant polynomial is 0, it is said to be a zero polynomial. This is very simple. Degree. Suppose this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. So in this, if we are asked to find the degree, we will search for the variable with highest power. So here the highest power is 6. The degree of this polynomial is 6 therefore, because the highest power of the polynomial's variable is 6. If you like the video, please like it and share it, and subscribe the channel if you want further videos on maths and different topics. Till then, study hard and have a nice day. Thank you.